So I got a Craftsman mower here, and what's happening with this is that when I shift it into, I'm in drive and I shift it into neutral and it still wants to keep creeping forward, or you could also get this problem where when you go in reverse and put it into neutral, it wants to keep going backwards. So I'm just going to show you how to fix that real quick. Pretty simple. So you come to the right side of your tractor, underneath the levers, the shifter knob. So to fix this, what you're going to want to do is take note in the bottom here of how centered this screw is when you're in the neutral position. So I've got a big gap over here, I've got no gap over here, so just take mental note of what that's like. Loosen up this with a 1/2 inch wrench, and then once they're loose, using the gear shifter, you can just move it. So either put it into reverse or into forward, just a little bit, and tighten them back up. And then test it out to see if your problem goes away. If it's worse, then you probably moved it the wrong way, and just do the opposite of what you did. So in this case, if I had it like this, with a gap here on the right, a huge gap, and it kept creeping forward when I was in neutral, and I made this gap even bigger, then I would know that instead of going bigger, I'd have to go smaller. Hopefully that helps. Thanks. Bye.